today I'm going to talk to you about an approach using a particular herb that is really, really beneficial for diabetes type 1 and type 2, okay? Now, over the last 45, 50 years, I've been doing organic gardening on all the gardens I've been into in many, many countries, and I've discovered throughout these travels that about what are the best herbs, the best medicinal herbs for taste and for medical benefits to eat. So my compost is very rich, very black. I put a lot of recycling stuff in it, like wood and all that. So my vegetables and herbs are really, really healthy. So is my fruit trees, right? Now, what I'm going to talk about today is a particular plant that you probably will never get, because every time you get this plant, it's always been cut and it's always been plasticized, right? I'm talking about the actual base. Now, what I'm going to talk about, earlier I showed you the celeriac, the actual plant, the root system. But today I'm going to show you something which you probably will never get unless you go to a particular shop, and that is the celeriac leaf. Have a look at that. Look how healthy that is. That's a celeriac leaf. You can see it's full of green chlorophyll. It's also got potassium, magnesium, zinc, silica, because of the sand we put together. It's also got vitamin C. It's got lots of antioxidants for helping the fight free radicals. And with this, that is the plant, that is the leaf system that grows out of the celeriac plant, the bulb, and then that's the one that you never get. But when you grow your own celeriac in your own tub or in your own ground soil, you get that. The benefits from this are enormous, and you get more benefits from that than taking a medical drug. This will benefit your kidneys, your pancreas, your liver, your stomach, and your blood, and your skin, and your eyes. Very, very powerful tool to use. Now, why should you listen to me? I've been a wellness practitioner for about 40 odd years in 23 odd countries. I've helped thousands of people get better. And I love it when I can teach a patient to get better fast, because there's nothing worse than disease of diabetes or something serious as that. And I teach them how to eat properly, how to think properly, how to sleep properly, and they get better. So listen to the advice, and for what you need to do next is remember to press the button down below and you download the link to this booklet. I wrote that during the lockdown, and you'll find it's very, very beneficial in understanding what you should be eating to heal your diabetes or relieve it completely. Thank you for listening.